It was a chill January morning in New York City as the long-anticipated trial of former President Donald Trump began. The air was thick with anticipation and tension as crowds gathered outside the courthouse, eager to catch a glimpse of the once powerful figure who now stood accused of a criminal cover-up. Inside the courtroom, Trump sat stoically, his brow furrowed as the prosecution laid out its case. The charges were serious: felony counts of falsifying business records in connection with hush money payments made to adult film star Stormy Daniels and former Playboy model Karen McDougal during the 2016 presidential campaign. The trial had been years in the making, a saga that had captivated the nation and shaken the very foundations of American politics. Now, as the evidence was presented, the true depth of Trump's alleged wrongdoing began to emerge, piece by piece. The Stormy Daniels revelation, the first bombshell, came early in the trial, as prosecutors called Stormy Daniels to the stand. The former adult film star, who had long maintained a low profile, wasted no time in recounting her explosive account of her alleged affair with Trump. With unwavering confidence, Daniels described how she had been paid $130,000 just days before the 2016 election to keep quiet about her purported sexual encounter with the then-candidate. She detailed the intricate web of non-disclosure agreements, shadowy intermediaries, and hastily arranged wire transfers that had been orchestrated to conceal the payment. Daniels' testimony was a stunning revelation, laying bare the lengths to which Trump and his associates had gone to cover up the scandal. Her account was corroborated by extensive financial records and testimony from Trump Organization executives, who acknowledged the existence of the payment and the subsequent efforts to disguise it. The Trump Tower meeting. As the trial progressed, the focus shifted to another pivotal moment in the saga, the infamous Trump Tower meeting of June 2016. Prosecutors called a series of witnesses, including Donald Trump Jr. and former Trump campaign manager Paul Manafort, to testify about the events surrounding this now infamous gathering. The meeting, attended by Trump campaign officials and representatives from Russia, had long been the subject of intense scrutiny and speculation. Prosecutors sought to establish a direct link between the Trump campaign's eagerness to obtain damaging information on Hillary Clinton and the subsequent hush money payments made to Daniels and McDougal. Testimony from attendees painted a picture of a campaign desperate for any advantage, even if it meant collaborating with a foreign adversary. Trump Jr.'s reluctant admission that he had been informed of the Daniels payment prior to the election further undermined the former president's claims of innocence. The Michael Cohen bombshell. Perhaps the most damning testimony came from the prosecution's star witness, Michael Cohen, Trump's former personal attorney and self-described fixer. Cohen, who had previously pleaded guilty to charges related to the hush money payments, took the stand and provided a detailed, first-hand account of Trump's involvement in the scheme. With unwavering certainty, Cohen recounted how Trump had personally directed him to arrange the payments to Daniels and McDougal, in an effort to suppress the women's stories and protect the Trump campaign. He described the frantic phone calls, the coded language, and the carefully orchestrated financial maneuvers that were undertaken to conceal the true nature of the transactions.